Welcome to the second training module for IRES Proposal Development, or PD, demonstrating the basic steps for entering a budget, including personnel and non-personnel costs, and F&A, or indirect costs. To enter budget costs, click on the Budget tab. You'll notice that the Budget tab is the only tab that opens in a new window. To enter cost information about personnel, click on the Detail button next to the individual's name. Go to the Appointments tab to enter specific information like changing the base salary, verifying fringe benefits, and entering inflation. Click Save. Go back to the Detail tab. Now you can input the effort for that individual. Enter the information in year 1 and press the Tab button on your keyboard. You'll notice that the effort will flow down to subsequent years. Click Save and Close to calculate the salary and effort for this individual. To add another individual who is also at Yale to the budget, click in the Progressive Search field and start to type in the individual's last name. Select the appropriate individual from the list that appears below. Select whether they are key or non-key and their role on the project. Click Add Person. Just like before, you should go to the Appointments tab to verify salary information, fringe benefits, and enter inflation. Click Save. You will then go back to the Detail tab in order to put in the effort. If you would like to see the requested salary and fringe for the individual before closing the window, click Save. PD will automatically calculate the salary request and the associated fringe benefits. Click Save and Close to exit the window. To enter non-personnel cost, scroll down to the Non-Personnel section. Click on the drop-down to select the item and click the Add Item button. If you would like, you can enter in a description for the item. Select the inflation amount if applicable, edit the quantity if applicable, and enter the unit cost. Again, when you press Tab, you'll notice that the cost will flow down to the subsequent years. Click Save to save your changes. After clicking Save, if you make a change in any of the years, you'll notice that the information will not flow down. Click Save and Close to save your changes and exit the window. You can also add sub-awards or sub-projects by clicking the appropriate Show button. After all your budget costs are entered, you should validate F&A by clicking on the F&A tab. By default, PD will calculate F&A using our organized research rate, which is currently 66.5%. Use the Scheme and Rate drop-downs in order to update or change F&A as appropriate for the project. After all budget costs are entered, click Done to exit the Budget tab. For additional information, tools, and materials, please visit the Toolkit section of the GCA website, which contains quick guides, FAQs, and other resources. If you need more assistance or have additional questions, please contact your GCA Proposal Manager.